people who did his KCPE should be able to get a press, and they have gotten presses.
Na kero tutigarite kumurekera mangana rengete semigo ikase county ya Nyamira skuru ya Nyamira Boys ngati skuru boy go chewa chiko barigania bana seri sukuri rero abayibole nigo bayikase nsemo ya soko nyara koba borokigwa buba korakira sana iso turiko nyara ko so form 1 kolengana bayibole amona borokia be skuru yo amono mwalimu munene nigo barigania bana boy kero nagote yabuna mbero biretia soko nyara ko anekia abana bonse bari batume skuru yo ngonyara bari bagari ya bene na kogendera masomo abo ase skuru ya bamura ya Nyamira.
My name is George Onkundi, Principal Nyamira Boys High School. We have received 320 form 1s as at now, and most of them are getting in. The queue, as you can see, is long, but we are doing all possible that the parents don't stay at school for long. So in 1 hour's time, they can finish the steps from the first to the fourth. That is having uniform and labeling, and then parents leaving school. We have not had many challenges, except a few where parents who had been admitted to Nyamira Boys, students who had been admitted to Nyamira Boys, made requests in other schools and went ahead to transfer in that they were admitted here, but then they made requests in other schools, and those schools went ahead changing in names so that now, as of today, they don't